This is Sean. We're on a job in Oak Ridge today, and this is a customer who we've done a few repairs on water lines, and they've got old Quest, the CPVC pipe, and look at what they've got going on in their front yard here. So they've had a water leak going on. So here's the meter, and there was water shooting out up here, and so we've been digging for couple hours, I guess, and we finally found our CPVC pipe, and it's underneath this little poplar tree. So we're trying to get around it, around these roots, and see if we can get this repaired. And if you've got CPVC or Quest, it's called, in your house, go ahead and replace it all, because it's just a ticking time bomb.
Right there on the top of that thing. Right there at the top. You see that black hole right there? That's the hole. It looks good on the camera. You can see it. That's where it spread out.
Wow.
And turned the water on. And that size hole, that would have made a hole like that.
Yep.
After the pressure. Remember, I stuck my hand in and I was like, you could stick your whole fist in the hole. I was like, wow.
I think it was getting around those roots and just finding whichever way, whichever path it had to get out of there.
Yeah.
You can see our pipe in there, and the problem is the hole in the pipe is right under this little poplar tree. So instead of trying to dig through the roots and whatnot underneath the tree, and the meter's right there. This CPVC, this Quest, needs to be replaced anyway. So we're just going to go ahead and take it all the way back to the meter, and that way whenever they do go to replace it, we can just start at the meter and dig a new trench instead of trying to dig the meter up to put some new PEX on there. So we're going to go ahead and get that done. So Corey's worried about me being that close to the meter with that little mini X right there, so he wants to hand dig it, he said. It's easier to hand dig than to...
Right there, that one there, under the tree. Right there's the fit we gotta get to is right. I gotta get cleaned out right there.
Okay.
Go get a see what kind of stuff we're doing underneath. Let me see something. Let me try one more thing right quick. Let me see your shovel here.
That root is right where we don't want it to be. You want to get on the other side of it?
Yeah.
You can
I just got to cut it free, and then we
Yep.
can jerk it around where we need it.
Yeah, there it is.
There it is. My small cutters, I got the ratchet ends out there, but I didn't want them muddy because they ratchet. You know what I mean? Them don't ratchet, so if you get them muddy, it don't hurt them. Like my ratchet said, it gets them muddy and then it don't want to ratchet. Yeah. Oh, never mind, there it goes.
Yep. So what's that pipe that's coming in there called? Black
roll, yeah.
It's pretty flexible.
Mm-hmm.
So
yep.
It doesn't mind if we reposition this a little bit?
Nah, it ain't hurting. Trust me, we'd know.
Yeah.
We would know, big time.
Okay.
No, we can position that thing just like that.
Okay.
Let me,
You got that crescent wrench over there too.
White money. Look at that. Oh, what?
Sweet. Here, I'll take that piece. We've already replaced or repaired a couple of leaks in this quest at this house, and we've told the homeowner that they should go ahead and get it all replaced. But now we have to tell them that they need to get this main water line going into the house replaced. So this quest is just a ticking time bomb. But what we've got going on here is there's the hole, and so we've exposed back a little bit so we can get onto some good quote-unquote pipe, and we'll have our new piece of PEX running through here right to the meter. So we'll be a lot better off than we were with this tree in the way.
You got your hole there.
All right, here, I'm gonna let you hold this and just aim it. But hold it level. This curly pipe is your favorite.
Yeah, if you don't watch it, it'll smack you to death. This is all you got on there in the blue too, so you might want to restock.
Yeah, okay, do that.
I'd leave it a little long.
Yep.
If anything, I'd just curl it up out of the ditch. Keep going with it. Just curl it right up out the ditch.
All right. Will that slide on there a little more?
Yeah, I'm gonna get it a little better. I have to work it, cramp out of it a little bit. There it is. That's about as good as you're gonna get right there. Double cramped.
Is that her?
That's her.
You want to set that meter box back while we're here?
Was you the one that put it?
Nope.
Someone else dug it up?
Yep.
Yeah, I guess we can. It's
Yeah.
gonna take a lot of work, but we can get it to set right. But let's hook it up first so we
Okay.
know exactly where we're gonna be. Let me grab one of these couplings right here, and that's it. Right there's the hole.
Mm-hmm.
There's a nice hole in it too. Let's go about right there. That stuff cuts like butter.
Can you cut the piece with the hole in it out?
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna try to do. I wanna make sure I get the hole piece out. Where's the hole at? Oh, that's all the way back there. I can't get a good cut on it though. That ain't gonna be good, pretty. Right there it is.
Alright.
It's down there by the... I might wipe that mud. I got a rag right there in the ditch. Cause I'm big about my rags, you know me.
Yep.
I keep a box.
There's our hole right there. I just turned the water on and the meter spun like crazy and filled up the house, or filled up the line, and then stopped. So we got the water under the house turned off, and so this is now telling us that there's no leak between the meter and the house where there was before. So we are good to cover back up.
Perfect plumbing.
We are finished with this job. So Corey just got all this dirt and mud cleaned up off the road and off the driveway. And hopefully that English ivy will take back over pretty quick. But we reset the meter box, and they've got the water turned back on, so they're thrilled. So you can see just how much water was running down here, and it's been doing it for a while now.